Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. It's not a difficult stitch to make, it's very beautiful as you can see. All you have to know is the treble, the single crochet and the half treble. Hope that you will find this video useful and that you try it. We start by making the chains. Chains we will have to make multiples of 13, so start by making chains multiples of 13. Now we make another 3 chains. These will serve as a treble. We go in the 4th chain and we make a treble or double crochet depending how you call it. In the next chain we're going to make half treble or half double crochet, and in the next one we're going to make a double crochet or single crochet depending how you call it. Now we make 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We skip 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We go in the 8th chain. We make a double crochet or single crochet, half a treble or half double crochet, 2 trebles, 1 and 2, or double crochet, how you call it, half a treble or half double crochet, double crochet or single crochet, and now we're going to make another 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We skip 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in the 8th chains we do double crochet or single crochet depending how you call it. Half a treble or half double crochet, 2 trebles or 2 double crochet depending how you call it, as I told you, half a treble or half double crochet, double crochet or single crochet. Another 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, and you continue repeating the pattern like this. Now I'm at the edge. I skip 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here in the 8th one I do a single crochet, half a treble or half double crochet, a treble or a double crochet, and I finish with another treble or double crochet depending, as I told you, how you say it. And you continue doing like this. You continue the row with these, doing like this, then you finish the way I told you. That is the first row. We start the second row by making 4 chains. Now we go here and we're going to make a treble or double crochet, but we leave the last stitch on the needle and we're going to do it 3 times, and then we slip them together. We do another chain, we go here and we do the same. 1, 2 and 3, slip them together, another chain, and we do the same. 1, 2 and 3, and we slip them together. Now we do a chain. We go here in the middle of the chains and we do a single crochet or double crochet, another 3 chains, and we do another one here, single crochet or double crochet, like that, another chain. Now we're going to work on these, and we have to make 6. We're going to make 1 on each one. We put the hook there, that is 1, 2 and 3, and we slip them together. Another chain, we go here, 1, 2 and 3, and we slip them together, another chain, we go here, we make another 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we slip them together. Always we make a chain in between them. We make another one here, 1, 2 and 3, we slip them together and we make a chain, another one here, 1, 2 and 3, and we slip them together. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we have to make another one, a chain, we go in the last one here and we make another 3, 1, 2 and 3, and we slip them together. Those are 6. We make another chain, we go here in the middle, single crochet, 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3, and another single crochet there, or double crochet, another chain, and we're going to do the same. We go here in the first one and we make 3 trebles, and we leave the last stitch on the needle, chain, and you continue, you make 6 like this, you continue all the row like that. You make 6 here like I showed you here, then here you make a single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains, another double crochet, and you always separate with a chain. Only here you make 3. You continue all the row like this, then I show you how to finish it. As you can see, it's ready. Now we're going to finish. We go here, we're going to make another 3 like we made before, 1, 2 and 3, slip them together, chain, we go in the second one, we do the same, 1, 2 and 3, slip them together, another chain, we go in the third one and we do another 3, 1, 2 and 3, we slip them together, we do a chain, and we finish with a treble here in the chains. We finish with 1 treble, and that is the row ready. Now we start the next row with 4 chains, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We turn the work around, we go here in the middle where we made these 3 chains, and we're going to make 6 trebles, 1, 2 or double crochet, how you call them, 3, 4, 5 and 6. We made those in those 3 chains that we made before. 7 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. We slip these, we go here again and we make another 6 trebles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, and you continue all the row like that. You make another 7 trebles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 chains, sorry. You go here in the middle and you make 6 trebles. You continue all the row like that, then I show you how to finish it. The row is ready. As you can see, I'm going to finish with 4 chains. I go here and I finish with a single crochet or double crochet, depending how you call it. And that is the row ready, as you can see. Now we start the next row with 3 chains, 1, 2 and 3. We go here in the first one and we do a single crochet or double crochet, depending how you call it. we make a chain. Now on every one of these 6 we're going to make 3 trebles like we did before and leave them on the hook, and then we pull them together. That is 1, another chain. We're going to make the next one, 1, 2 and 3, another chain. On the next one, 1, 2, 3, pull them together, another chain, 1, 2, 3, another chain, 1, 2, 3, another chain, and we're going to make the last one here. 1, 2 and 3, and we pull them together. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We made 6 with a chain that separates them. We make a chain. Now we're going to work on this, but we're going to go in the middle of these 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. We're going to work here and here. So we're going to make a single crochet or double crochet there. 3 chains and another single crochet or double crochet there, as you have seen in the middle of these 3. Another chain, and I'm going to do the same. 3 here, 1, a group of 3 on every treble that we made, with a chain that separates them. You continue like that, doing here. Then when you arrive here, as I told you, you go in the middle of these 6, in the third one, you do a chain, single crochet or double crochet, 3 chains and another double crochet. You put these here, and in the middle 1, 2, 3 here. You make a single crochet, chains and single crochet. And you continue all the row like that. Then I show you how to finish it. This row is ready. As you can see, we make a chain. We go here in the chains here, not in the last one, in this one. We make a single crochet, another chain, and we finish here at the edge with a treble. And that is the other row ready, as you can see. Now we start the next row with 3 chains, and we're going to make 3 trebles here. 1, 2 and 3. Now we're going to start again from the beginning. 7 chains, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, like we were doing here. We made 7 chains. Now we go here in the middle, and we're going to make 6 trebles, like that row we did before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Another 7 chains. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I'm repeating that same row that I showed you. I'm going to make, and here I make another 6 trebles, and you continue the row like this one, like I showed you this one. Then the next row we're going to do like we did in this one. On every treble here we make 3, a pair of 3 on each one of them. Then when you arrive here, you find the middle of these 1, 2, 3 in the middle here, and you make a single crochet, 3 chains, single crochet with the chains here together, like this row we made before. You continue the pattern like this. Then I'll show you how it comes. And this is the final result, how the stitch comes. As I have told you, you have always to repeat those rows that I showed you, and you will get this result. It was not difficult to make. Hope that you found this video useful and that you try it. Bye for now.